Hi dear singles and mingles. உங்களுக்கு ஒரு question. Do you really have a hobby? இல்லனா just collecting new hobbies every new year? Januaryல from today I'll start reading. Marchல book still open-ஆ இருக்கு. Bookmark same place. So today day 5ல let's talk about hobbies in English. But in a fun way. Because if learning English is boring, it's like நான் சீன்லே இல்லடா. Okay. இப்போ நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். What is a hobby? A hobby means something you like to do in your free time. நீங்க ஃப்ரீ டைம்ல ஹாப்பியா பண்ற விஷயம் தான் ஹாபி. Some people cook, some sing, some dance and some just sleep professionally like me. Examples பாப்போமா? Okay. I like reading books. I love listening to music. My hobby is cooking. My hobby is drawing. I enjoy playing cricket. I love gardening. My hobby is watching movies. இதெல்லாம் okay, but real life version? My hobby is watching one episode and finishing the whole season at 3 a.m. Some people say, my hobby is watching people's. Please don't say like this. Say, my hobby is watching people without S. Illana, you sound like a detective. And people will start watching you. இப்போ நான் உங்ககிட்ட ஒரு சூப்பர் ஃபன்னி ஸ்டோரி சொல்ல போறேன். This actually happened in my spoken English class one day. I asked my students very confidently, "Okay dears, tell me, what's your hobby?" அப்போ one boy stood up. அவன் innocent மாதிரி ஃபேஸை வச்சிருப்பான். He said, "Teacher, my hobby is sleeping." அப்போ நான் ஷாக் ஆயிட்டேன். I was like, "Sleeping? That's not a hobby, da." Looked at me very seriously and said, "But teacher, I do it every day with full passion and dedication." Whole class started laughing. Then I asked, "Okay, fine. If sleeping is your hobby, when do you wake up?" He said, "After 3 alarms and 1 amma shouting." Appo I just face palmed and said, "Get out of the class." And he walked out proudly like a hero, saying, "Teacher, my new hobby is walking out of class dramatically." என்னால ஸ்மைலி ஸ்டாப் பண்ணவே முடியல. So the moral of the story என்னன்னா, no matter what your hobby is, reading, cooking, dancing, even sleeping, just speak it confidently in English. Okay team, comment below, what's your real hobby? Instagram version illappa, the real one. Papo, who has the funniest or most unique hobby in our 90-day English family? Now, repeat with me, loud and proud. I like dancing. I love cooking. I enjoy singing. My hobby is reading. I spend my free time drawing. My hobby keeps me happy. Perfect. Day 5 completed successfully. Today, you didn't just learn English, you learned to express your passion. Tomorrow, day 6, we'll talk about daily routine. And trust me, we are going to expose all the 5 minutes please alarm experts. My dear singles and mingles, subscribe pannunga, comment pannunga, bell icon press pannunga. And remember, when English becomes your hobby, confidence becomes your best friend.